Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video. I know you're here because you're looking for a way to lose weight, and trust me, I get it. Weight loss can be tricky. People get frustrated, some even get depressed, and unfortunately, a lot of folks give up. But here's the thing. We have to remember that our bodies need to stay healthy. They need to maintain a weight that they can support, right? These days, so many people are overweight, and once you are, it's tough to go back to having a body you're proud of, and that feels good. That's where Mitolyn comes in. This dietary supplement can help you unlock your metabolic power, helping you lose weight naturally and in a healthy way. Now, before I dive into the details, let me just mention this. If you decide to purchase Mitolyn, make sure to get it from their official website. It's the safest way to make sure you get the real deal without any frustrations. Plus, you'll get the best results that way. I've dropped the link to the official webpage in the description box of this video so you can check it out later. Okay, so let's talk about what Mitolyn actually does. This supplement is all about boosting your mitochondria function. Your mitochondria? That's like the powerhouse of your body. It burns fat and fuels every part of your body, keeping it running smoothly and healthily. If you're struggling to lose weight, chances are your mitochondrial function is running low, and that's where Mitolyn comes in to help. Mitolyn is packed with 6 natural calorie-burning ingredients designed to give your mitochondria the support they need. Its main ingredient is maki berry, a fruit loaded with antioxidants that not only boosts fat burning but also helps maintain a healthy heart and controls cholesterol levels. It's super powerful. But that's not all. Mitolyn also includes ingredients like amla, which is an Indian fruit known for its health benefits, theobroma cacao, schisandra, and rhodiola. These ingredients work together to improve your vision, support healthy skin, provide antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, and even aid digestion. It's not just about losing weight, it's about becoming healthier overall. The best part? Mitolyn helps improve your mood, reduce stress, and lower anxiety. Let's be honest, when we're stressed, it's hard to achieve anything, right? This supplement also supports your cognitive abilities, so you're getting a ton of benefits. To use Mitolyn, it's simple. Take just 1 capsule a day. Stick with it for 3 or 6 months, depending on your goals. It's 100% natural with no side effects or contraindications. Plus, it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so if it doesn't work for you, you can get a refund. No hassle. So pop over to their official webpage to learn more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.